Hello kids, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to read and learn about washroom accessories. Let's start. Soap, hand wash, tap, towel, comb, mirror, toothpaste and toothbrush, shower, sink, shampoo, bathtub, tissue roll, slippers, nail cutter. Dear kids, if you want to be good children, cut your nail every day, brush your teeth twice a day, and take a bath every day, and wear clean and neat clothes. Thank you. For more interesting videos, subscribe my channel.